Okay, here we want to find all solutions of the equation corrected to decimal places. We have x to the fourth minus x, which is equal to 1. Now, we can rewrite this so that this becomes x to the fourth minus x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and put that into our calculator. So we have x raised to the fourth minus x minus 1. And then we want to graph. So we need to put in a better window. So let's go ahead and put a window. So we got, say, -1, +1, -1, and +1. So here's what our graph looks like. So we might need to change the viewing window again. So let's try -2 to 2 and -1 to 2. Okay. So let's make our y minimum -2. And now we can see the entire graph. Now, if we want to figure out where does it cross the x-axis is going to be our solutions. So if we trace, we're going to see the ordered pair as to when it crosses the x-axis. And then if we keep going to the right, then it'll bring us to, again, where it crosses the x-axis. Now, it might be a lot clearer to see it on Desmos. So let's go ahead and put in x to the fourth minus x minus 1. And then let's go ahead and put in our window to be -2. And then +2. And then again, -2. And then +2. Okay, so from here, we should be able to see here that at -0.7240 and 1.2210 are therefore all the solutions of this particular equation, because this is where it crosses the x-axis. So therefore, that, go ahead and copy that. So therefore, here is our graph. And with this graph, we can say the following. We can say that we see that the graphs intersect twice, and the x-coordinates of these points, which are the solutions of the equations, are approximately -0.72 and 1.22. Now, we could have also found these values by finding the zeros of the given function.